Human microbiome is big by every measure: the number of organisms, the total volume, species diversity, genetic diversity. The human body carries 3 times more bacterial cells than human ones. Do the math. We have about 37 trillion human cells. It is over 100 trillion of bacteria. Add to it fungi, viruses, archaea, and single-celled eukaryotes. If we're talking about volume, the space and the weight that microbiome occupies in the human body, the single microbe is microscopic, but if we add all the microbes together, they will give us about 2.5 pounds. The intestine and the colon contain one of the densest known microbial communities on Earth because they are convoluted. Flat intestine is equal to a tennis court. Species diversity. Normal microbiome includes around 1,000 different species. They are classified based on morphology, physiology, and metabolism. Technology had advanced the capacity to sequence genetic material from environment samples. Their diversity is a result of 3.5 billion years of evolution and the ability to adapt to most extreme environments. If we talk about genetic diversity, the collective genome of the person's microbiome is 300 times the number of genes he inherits from his parents.
Created using Powtoon.